In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a dual clock widget to your iPhone home screen. This is perfect if you want to see your current time and the time of another city or time zone. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but what you're going to want to do first is go into your settings. Scroll down until you see the wallpaper option, and from here, go ahead and select customize for your home screen. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find the option that says add widgets, and essentially just go ahead and select it, and you're going to see a few different things on here. Go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for clock and go ahead and select clock, and from here you have a few different options. You have world clock, you have city digital, you have city analog, and then you also have next alarm on here. For the dual clock setup, what I would recommend doing is city digital, but essentially go ahead and select one of these two options. I like this one right here, so I'm going to choose it, and the clock may default to something right here, but don't worry, you can change it. Essentially, just go ahead and select it just like so. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is hit done and then back out to your clock app and then go to your world clock section. And from here, go ahead and add that clock in here. And then you could go back to the customize section and change it however you would like. Alternatively, you can double click it and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this where you can go ahead and search for it. Like in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and search for London, and it looks like it is almost 1 a.m. there right now. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.